Quick disclaimer, running from the police is dangerous, illegal and never worth it. It puts you, the officers and everyone else on the road at risk. This channel does not support or encourage running from the law enforcement. Always pull over safely and handle it the right way. It is not uncommon for bikers to get pulled over more than average car, and after a while, it starts to feel personal. But this cop was one of the good ones. Even though they started on the wrong foot, he took his time to explain everything.
You hear me?
Yeah.
What's the issue?
What do you
Why are
mean,
you throwing your
what's
hands out?
Because why are you pulling me over?
If you give me a second, I can tell you instead of throwing your hands up like you're not doing anything wrong. Would I light you up for no reason?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a license. You're gonna give me an opportunity to explain
because
it.
I know my bike's legal. I know my what?
You know everything on your bike is legal.
The plate is readable from 50 feet away.
It is not.
It is.
No, it's not.
Yes,
man.
it is.
No, it's not.
But I've had. Okay, go ahead.
You want me to write you a ticket for it?
No, I mean like you're gonna do what you're gonna do. Anyway.
No, like dude, listen. I'm one of the most lenient cops when it comes to bikes and stuff like that. We're having a lot of issues with bikes. Okay.
Did I run?
What does that mean? I'm saying we're having a lot of issues with people not displaying their license plates properly and stuff like that, okay? So that's why I'm stopping you. You cannot read that 50 feet away. I'm telling you, it's not. Look how messed up that is. How do you expect me to read that? It's like this. I'm sitting up high in the car. I know, you're going to tell me you can from where I live.
I'm just saying, look.
She wrote your plate. You think I can read that? Did you see the plate? You have a license plate light? I don't believe so. You're telling me everything's legal on it when it's not. And I would have stopped you and been like, hey man, I can't read your plate. It's like this. It has to be displayed properly. You have to be able to read it 50 feet away. You don't have a license plate light. And I would have sent you on your way as long as you were cool with me. But you're like throwing up your hands like, oh, what did I do? Give me an opportunity to talk to you.
You targeted me like immediately off the
Oh, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. We are targeted by that. 100%. Displaying their license plates properly, running from us, and driving recklessly. So guess what? We're told to handle it. Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm just listening.
No, you're looking at me like, dude.
I'm just listening. Officer, I'm just listening.
I got you. So listen, the whole throwing your hands up was unnecessary because you didn't even give me an opportunity to have a discussion with you about it, right?
Yeah, it's just, who likes to get pulled over by a cop? Alright guys, so he let me off with a warning. That was cool, I guess, but we're gonna go home now.
You have a conversation, okay? First off, worried though, is he just gonna wheelie to you? I take him to jail and tow his bike right now, or we can have a conversation. Where's Mr. Neon that just did a wheelie across the whole parking lot? You're already illegally gathered in a county parking lot, so I can technically detain every last one of you. We're gonna have a conversation. If you want us to leave you alone, don't do dumb stuff. And we don't bother you. Understood? You two are lucky. All of you can go to jail for reckless driving. Do not ruin it for everybody else. Okay? Good safe ride, okay?
In case you didn't know, even unmarked gravel roads have speed limits. And honestly, this is the first time I ever seen a biker actually get pulled over on a gravel road.
You know the speed limit on the gravel road?
No.
35.
Is
You
it?
just told me you hit 50 just right through there.
50?
Yeah, I was at 50 trying to keep up with you.
Really?
Alright, well just be careful and slow down on the gravel, okay?
No, I'll slow it down.
Okay.
Thank you though.
Alright, be careful.
Yep, thank you.
What up?
What up, bro?
You can't pull me over this time. I got you first.
Hey, you want it? You can take it, bro.
Nah, I don't want it. What's going on? You trying to help them out?
Nah, we got a little issue.
Oh.
Trying to figure it out.
Oh.
Give me a second, bro.
What happened? They bought the car?
No. You jumping off of the shop, and, you know.
Oh, I got you. And
Quiet, bro.
I appreciate it. You never seen my channel?
I did. You
Yeah,
pulled over one of my girls.
I about to say I know you see all your friends on there. Pull the over.
I can't curse.
Oh, y'all can't?
Nah,
What?
not with the cameras on.
That's crazy.
Against policy.
They tripping on
No,
that.
we gonna be on that.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
My face is already everywhere.
It is.
I need that, bro. I think it's beautiful.
No, I appreciate you over here. You know I gotta with y'all.
We gotta be professional.
Yeah, no, I feel you. I'm gonna get out your hair, man. All right, dog.
A respectful approach toward police will get you out of the trouble more often than you think. Attitude rarely wins, but respect usually does.
Evening, boss. How you doing?
Doing alright, I'm up to Texas Police Department. I need your driver's license.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Reason of the traffic stop, okay? Whenever you're on 78, you were in the middle lane, you went over the left lane without signal. Are you carrying right now?
Yes, sir. I am.
I got you. Where's it at? Is it on your head?
It's on my right. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Alright, just don't reach for it. We won't have a problem.
Yes, sir.
Alright, give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you. Say, have I talked to you already before?
Yeah.
Were you the guy with like the road rager?
Yeah, that one time. Yeah.
Where he like pulled the machete out on your?
Yeah, he pulled that big machete.
I
Yeah.
got you. I was like, I remember.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
the same bike, right?
It's the same one. Yeah, it's the same one.
So it's gonna be a warning, all right?
Okay, I appreciate it. I appreciate your help. Thank you much. Good seeing you again.
Safe, okay? Yeah,
Thank you.
This biker got an offer from the cop that he simply couldn't refuse. And honestly, who would?
I'm gonna go ahead and tell you yours is illegal.
Yeah.
Okay? Because you have no muffler on there.
Yeah.
Here's your options. You can go home right now, or I can put it on the record.
I go home right now.
See you later.
You good if I go inside and grab a drink
you're
real quick?
good.
All right.
You good. Don't ride it again without a muffler on there.
Yes, sir.
All right?
All I'm waiting on is cause it fell off.
Stop the cap.
This biker actually did the right thing and pulled over, even though he was pushing more than 20 over the speed limit. He says it's his first time ever getting stopped on the bike. So let's see how this one plays out.
On 85 and the 65, is it reaching speed?
No, I was just moving with the speed of traffic, like a little bit faster. A little bit faster than the speed of traffic.
Driver's license plate?
Yeah.
Nice bike.
Thank you.
We had it.
Work. Yeah.
Now, I'll be honest with you, not many motorcycle drivers stop for us and they end up taking us on a pursuit and then we gotta take them to jail, okay?
I know, yeah.
So since you stopped, I cut you a warning on the speed, okay?
Oh wait, is he trying to race?
If you are racing, doing wheelies or pulling any kind of dangerous stunts on the public roads, just expect someone to snitch. It's gonna happen. These bikers found out the hard way when they rolled up and saw a cop already waiting for them down the road. Rough way to learn the lesson, but that's how it goes.
I think he's stopping here for the wheelie, bro. He's definitely stopping us for the wheelie, I think.
Appreciate you guys stopping.
For sure.
Just for you, I had your speed at 85. It's a 70 zone, so none you on me. I was respectful. You guys in a hurry to get somewhere?
I just need to stick it now.
I got you. I'm gonna be honest with you. Someone called you in down by Portal Way, so I was sitting there looking for you guys. Yeah.
Some of us, you know,
I got
I'm not gonna say I wasn't doing stupid stuff, but
I got you.
a lot of the guys were going
Okay.
quite a bit faster.
I got you. Well, again, I appreciate you guys stopping. You got your driver's license on.
You good?
They got him wheeling?
No, speed.
Call them?
But like only like 15 over.
Oh.
He's just giving us a warning.
So since I got everybody stopped, do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
Awesome. Are you the owner of the bike?
I am. You need the registration and everything as well?
I'll just write down your plate on my note.
Okay, cool.
Give me 1 second, okay?
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a warning on the speed. Please be careful. We've had a lot of issues with bikes going down, especially with the cold weather, with the ice. Last thing I want to do is go into your parents and tell them that they lost you because you guys were doing something stupid. Just be careful. I'm talking to you as a person, just please be careful. Like I said, we see it all the time. They're always your guys' age. They're going down. They're getting hurt. I don't want to see it happen. You guys seem like decent dudes. So please, all you guys, be careful. Okay, tell your buddies too.
We appreciate you, man.
Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it. You guys have fun.
Thank
be
you.
safe. Please slow down. Go the speed limit. Okay. Thanks. You're off on me, if I'm being honest. I was like, this guy's got no play.
Bro, I'm a new rider. I don't even go above 70 yet, you know?
Most motorcycles without license plates take off the second they see the lights. But this rider decided to pull over and face the consequences. And this cop was more than fair.
People actually run?
Hell yeah.
Really?
Yeah, bro.
You've had someone run from you?
Huh?
You had someone run from you before?
Yeah.
That's
I find
crazy.
him every time, though. Every time. Pro tip, okay? So I am citing you for the display plates, but listen, hear me out, okay? Your best bet with this, your driving record, it's not the best, it's not the worst. It's not a moving violation, it's just obviously display plates. Your best bet with this, you get a new bracket, whatever, throw it on there so the plate's actually visible. Take a picture before and after. When you go to court, show the judge or ask the judge if you can show them the picture so they can see you took the corrective action. You follow me? Usually, they're good with that.
Okay.
If for whatever reason they don't want to work with you, say you want to take it to trial, I'll meet you at court, I'll take care of you, okay? So long as you prove to me that you've made the corrective action. Is that fair?
Yeah, that's fair.
All right, cool, dude.
Appreciate it, brother.